Imagine standing on land that is literally tearing apart beneath your feet. This is not a scene from a disaster movie. It is the reality of the East African Rift System, one of the most dramatic and active rifts on Earth. Stretching nearly 4,000 miles from Jordan to Mozambique, this colossal crack in the planet's surface is slowly but surely breaking Africa in two. At its core, the East African Rift System consists of two branches. The Eastern Rift Valley, commonly called the Great Rift Valley, runs through the entire system. It begins in the north, following the Jordan River, the Dead Sea, and the Gulf of Aqaba, before extending southward through the Red Sea, the Ethiopian Danakil Plain, and into Kenya's famous lakes, Turkana, Naivasha, and Magadi. The rift then continues through Tanzania, barely visible in some areas due to erosion, before cutting through the Shire River Valley and reaching the Indian Ocean near Mozambique. But this rift is not just a static crack. It is alive, growing, and reshaping the landscape before our eyes. The driving force: tectonic plates. The Somali plate is drifting southeast, while the Nubian plate moves northwest. As they pull apart, deep fissures form, mountains rise, and valleys sink. This process, which began millions of years ago, is still unfolding today. Magma plays a crucial role in this transformation. Beneath the rift, molten rock pushes upward, forcing the plates apart. As the crust weakens, it fractures, forming fault lines and new land. This is the same process that occurs at mid-ocean ridges, but here, it is happening on land. Over time, as the rift widens, seawater will rush in, splitting Africa into two separate landmasses. Scientists believe this new ocean will take millions of years to fully form, but the process has already begun. Some areas, like Ethiopia's Afar Depression, are already sinking below sea level. The impact of this transformation will be profound. New coastlines will emerge, altering weather patterns, ecosystems, and human settlements. Lakes will shift, fertile lands may vanish, and volcanic activity could intensify. The very shape of Africa will change, and future generations may know a continent divided in two, separated by a vast new ocean.